2015 Chevy Silverado, Texas edition, LTZ, fully loaded, 6.2 liter. What we got on it is long tube headers, one there and one there. Then we put two high flow cats, one here and one there. Then it's wide into a single. Then it's got a BORLA system on it, a BORLA ATAK system. I don't know if you guys can see it. Into 2.5-inch tailpipes, one on each side. And then 4-inch tips, one here and one here. Right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. I think it's gonna sound really well. 2019 GMC 1500 6.2 liter V8 AT4. Absolutely beautiful truck. What we got done on it, everything's all bone stock. There's the catalytic converters, one there, one there. And actually this one doesn't come with a third converter, but it comes with a 3-inch pipe. Then we put a FLOWMASTER 3-inch in, 3-inch out Outlaw Super 10 race muffler. It's a tiny muffler right there. We only carry it to Nashville, nobody else does. Then 3-inch, and then it's wide out the back. It's got 2 resonators on it, factory. And then with the built-in bumper, the tips on the bumper, right there, and the valence. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Nothing like a cold start on a wintry day. The muffler that came off of it right there. It's a huge muffler. We swapped it out for a Super 10 race muffler Outlaw. Oh, much better. Sounds beautiful. GMC Sierra 1500. And throaty, deep. I think I found my new muffler for these new trucks. Beautiful truck.
Inside the 2015 Silverado, Texas edition. Want to let you guys hear what it sounds like from inside. Awesome. Here we are inside this beautiful GMC AT4 1500. Nice growl to it from the interior. Yes, sir.
It's got a BORLA ATAK system. Straight through all the way with high flow cats. Sounds Phenomenal. It's got the 6.2 liter LTZ.